protect your energy, to feel happy in your life, what to do to protect your energy. It's totally okay to do lot of things. What we think, हमें लगता है हमें करनी चाहिए, नहीं करनी चाहिए, लोग क्या कहेंगे. So it's totally okay to do lot many things, like okay to do nothing, and it's okay to take an off from your day, and it's totally okay to laugh alone. It's totally okay to be alone. अकेले बैठना, अकेले में time spend करना. It's totally okay to do anything which you think मैं करूं और लोग क्या कहेंगे. So don't think that way. It's totally okay अगर किसी ने आपको कुछ कहा और आपने उसको माफ़ कर दिया, to let it go. It's completely okay to feel okay at yourself, because we are here on this earth to protect our energy, to keep our soul happy. Our life's purpose is to make ourselves happy first, and then we can make others happy, right? So first priority is yourself. To make everyone happy, protect your energy. This is what life is all about. All right.